If you are currently working as a product manager or trying to break into the field using advice from 3 years ago, I have some hard news for you. The era of the generalist PM, who spends all day writing Jira tickets and managing backlogs, is over. We are seeing the biggest shift in the tech industry since the invention of Agile. The feature factory, where PMs are just measured by how much stuff they ship, is dying. And honestly, this is a good thing. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how AI is reshaping the product management role and the 3 specific skills you need to build right now to survive the shift and position yourself as a top 1% talent. First, let's define the trap that most product managers fall into. It's called the feature factory. This is when a company treats you like a waiter. Stakeholders order a feature, you write it down on a ticket, and you hand it to the kitchen, which are your engineers, and you serve it to your customer. Here, you aren't managing a product, you are managing a to-do list, is what you're doing. For the last 10 years, you could make very good salary doing just that. But now, AI agents are getting really good with the waiter part of the job. Writing user stories, drafting acceptance criteria, summarizing meeting notes, AI does that instantly and effortlessly. If your value is just keeping the trains running and on time, you are very vulnerable. The new value of a product manager isn't execution, it's architectural thinking. Here are the 3 shifts you need to make. Shift number 1, stop being a ticket writer and start being a product architect. In the old world, PMs will spend hours refining a PRD, which is your product requirement document. In the new world, that document is simply a prompt. The best PMs I know in the UK and in Silicon Valley aren't just writing tickets anymore. They are prototyping. They are using low-code tools and AI to build a first draft of the product themselves before ever talking to an engineer. This changes the conversation with your dev team today. You aren't asking, can we build this anymore? Instead, you show them a rough version and ask, how do we scale this? Shift number 2, move from data reporting to insight hunting. Most PMs look at a dashboard and see the retention drop by 5% and then they report it. This is just reporting. The new PM in this new era uses AI to interpret unstructured data. I'm talking about feeding 500 customer support transcripts into a large language model and asking it to find the psychological trigger that is causing the churn. You need to move away from asking what happened and start answering why did it happen and what is the opportunity. Shift number 3, become the editor-in-chief of your product. This is the one skill AI cannot replace: empathy and influence. In a world where building software becomes cheap and fast, the scarcest resource is no longer engineering hours, it's user attention. Your job is no longer managing the backlog, it's managing the narrative. Why does this product matter? How does it fit into the user's life? You need to be the person who can synthesize the business goals, the user needs, and the technical constraints into clear, compelling story that rallies the team. So here is my prediction for the next 5 years in product management. I believe we are going to see a massive reduction in junior PM roles. The entry-level work is being automated today. However, the ceiling for senior PMs and product leads is going to get much, much higher. We are moving towards a model where one highly skilled product manager, armed with the right AI tools, can do the work that used to require a whole squad of analysts and coordinators. In essence, we aren't project managers anymore. We are product leaders. This transition might feel scary now, but it's actually a massive opportunity to do the work that actually matters, which is strategy, creativity, and connection, rather than just administrative overhead. I'm currently documenting my own journey navigating these changes in the UK. If you want to stay updated on the tools I'm using and the trends I'm seeing in real time, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.